Hello, I'm Tenmuri, Senior Project Associate working in the Department of Science, Technology and Environment. The fourth theme under Life Mission is Reduce Waste. Under Reduce Waste, we are going to see the topic Contribute Cattle Waste, Food Waste and Agricultural Waste to Biogas Plant. What is a biogas? It mainly comprises of hydrocarbon which is combustible and can produce heat and energy when burnt. Biogas is produced through a biochemical process in which certain types of bacteria convert the biological waste into useful biogas. Since the useful gas originates from biological process, it has been termed as biogas. Methane gas is the main constituent of biogas. Biogas production process. The process of biogas production is an anaerobic in nature and takes place in two stages. The two stages have been termed as acid formation stage and methane formation stage. In the acid formation stage, the biodegradable complex organic compounds present in the waste materials are acted upon by a group of acid forming bacteria present in the dung. Since the organic acids are the main products in this stage, it is known as acid forming stage. In the second stage, group of methoorganic bacteria act upon the organic acids to produce the methane gas. Raw materials for biogas production. Although cattle dung has been recognized as the chief raw material for biogas plants, other materials like night soil, poultry litter, and agricultural waste can also be used. Advantages of biogas production. It is an eco-friendly fuel. The required raw materials for biogas production are available abundantly in villages. It is not only produced biogas but also gives us nutrient-rich slurry that can be used for crop production. It prevents the health hazards of smoke in poorly ventilated rural households that use dung cake and firewood for cooking. It helps to keep the environment clean, as there would be no open heap of dung or other waste materials that attract flies, insects, and infections. Availability of biogas would reduce the use of firewood and hence tree would be saved. Components of biogas plant. 1. Inlet pipe. 2. Mixing tank. 3. Digester. 4. Gas holder or gas storage dome. 5. Outlet pipe. 6. Gas pipeline. Points to be considered for construction of a biogas plant. While setting a site for a biogas plant, following aspects should be considered. The land should be level and at a higher elevation than the surrounding to avoid water stagnation. Soil should not be too loose and should have a bearing strength of 2 kg per centimeter square. It should be nearer to the intended place of gas use, that is home or farm. It should also be nearer to the cattle shed or stable for easy handling of raw materials. The water table should not be very high. Adequate supply of water should be there at the plant site. The plant should get clear sunshine during most part of the day. The plant site should be well ventilated. A minimum distance of 1.5 meters should be kept between the plant and any wall or foundation. It should be away from any tree to prevent root interference. It should be at least 1.5 meters away from any well used for drinking water purpose. Availability of raw materials. The size of the biogas plant is to be decided based on the availability of raw material. It is generally said that average cattle yield is about 10 kg dung per day. For example, the average gas production from dung may be taken as 40 liters per kilogram of fresh dung. The total dung required for production of 3 meter cube biogas is 75 kilograms. Hence, a minimum of 4 cattle is required to generate the required quantity of cow dung. This table shows the average maximum biogas production from different feedstocks. GOBARdhan scheme. Galvanizing Organic Bio-Agro Resources is an umbrella initiative of Government of India. It covers the entire gamut of schemes, programs, policies promoting the conversion of organic waste like cattle dung, agricultural residue, etc. to biogas, CBG, bio-CNG, etc. Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation and Ministry of Jal Shakti is the coordinating department for this particular scheme. Objectives of the scheme: 1. To support village effectively manage their cattle waste, agricultural waste, residue and all other organic waste. 2. To support communities to convert their organic waste, especially cattle dung, to wealth through generation of manure and energy out of waste. 3. To promote environmental sanitation and curb vector-borne diseases through effective disposal of waste in rural areas. 4. To create livelihood opportunities in rural areas and enhance the income of farmers and other rural people by supporting them to convert their waste to wealth. 5. To promote rural entrepreneurship by involving entrepreneurs, NGOs, and youth groups in setting up an operation and management of biogas plants. Thank you.